I just got this set of ceramic bowls. I love these, and I didn't think I would like them this much, but they come in all different colors. The brand is Vancasso stoneware. They have a really nice glazed surface, and they all come with these lids. There's a kind of a teal one and a little red one. So it's 4 different sizes. They're all glazed stoneware. These little lids pop open, and there's a hole in them that lets you open this up and take the lid right off. But then if you put the lid back on and close it, it forms a vacuum seal, and these don't, I'm pulling on this, I'm really pulling on it. This does not want to come off. If I really work at it, I could, oh my gosh, I'm really pulling on it. This one doesn't want to come off. If you pull on the larger ones, they will come off if you work at it. But look, it just doesn't want to come off because of the vacuum seal. So they're going to be good for storing things in the fridge, but I'm going to use these for my website and take pictures because they're so pretty, and I love them. So yeah, I would 100% recommend this set. I think they're really pretty. I'm going to take the lid off here to show you the inside. They have this nice design on the inside. It's a nice glazed ceramic. These are really high quality. I love them, and I can't wait to use them.